Exfoliating your skin is a crucial step in maintaining soft, smooth, and glowing skin. But finding the right exfoliating gloves can be a challenge. In this video, we're diving into the 5 best exfoliating gloves, from Bali Secret to Herbivore Botanicals. Each of these gloves has its unique benefits, and we're going to break down everything you need to know to choose the perfect one for your skincare routine. Stick around as we explore these top-rated exfoliating gloves and help you solve your exfoliation needs once and for all. Kicking off our list at number 1, Bali Secret Exfoliating Gloves. The Bali Secret Exfoliating Gloves are a luxurious option for exfoliating your skin, made from natural, soft, and highly effective materials. Designed for all skin types, these gloves are ideal for those seeking smoother, rejuvenated skin without irritation. Bali Secret's innovative design and attention to detail ensure that these gloves provide maximum exfoliation while remaining gentle enough for daily use. These gloves promise to leave your skin feeling fresh, smooth, and ready to absorb your favorite skincare products. Key features: Bali Secret exfoliating gloves are made with natural silk fibers that offer a balance between a rough and soft texture, providing deep exfoliation without damaging the skin. The gloves are designed to be breathable and lightweight, making them comfortable to wear while in use. They come in multiple sizes, ensuring a snug fit for everyone. Another great feature is that they are machine washable, making them easy to maintain and reuse. These gloves are also suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, due to their gentle yet effective texture. Benefits and usage: these exfoliating gloves are excellent at removing dead skin cells, revealing brighter and healthier-looking skin underneath. They help to improve circulation and promote the regeneration of skin cells, leading to smoother, softer skin over time. For best results, use the gloves in a warm shower or bath with your favorite body wash or exfoliating scrub. The gentle friction from the gloves ensures that the skin is deeply exfoliated without any harsh scrubbing, leaving the skin smooth and rejuvenated after each use. Usability: Bali Secret exfoliating gloves are easy to use. Simply slip your hands into the gloves, wet them with warm water, and apply your preferred exfoliating body scrub or soap. Then, gently massage your skin in circular motions. The breathable silk fibers allow the gloves to dry quickly after use, preventing any buildup of moisture or bacteria. These gloves are perfect for daily use, offering a quick and effective way to exfoliate your skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and silky smooth. Durability: Bali Secret exfoliating gloves are built to last. The high-quality silk fibers used in their construction are durable and long-lasting, and with proper care, they will retain their effectiveness for many months. These gloves are machine washable, making them easy to clean after every use. Just be sure to follow the care instructions to keep them in top condition, and you'll enjoy long-lasting exfoliation benefits. Regular use will maintain the glove's texture, ensuring they continue to provide excellent exfoliation and care for your skin. In the second spot, we have Exfolimate exfoliating gloves. Exfolimate exfoliating gloves are a high-performance option for those looking for an intense, effective exfoliation experience. These gloves are designed to provide a professional-grade exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and unclogging pores, revealing smoother and clearer skin. Exfolimate's unique glove technology is especially beneficial for individuals with rough or uneven skin, making them a great choice for anyone looking to address skin concerns such as acne, ingrown hairs, or dryness. Key features: Exfolimate exfoliating gloves are crafted with a dual-textured surface, offering both a coarse side for deep exfoliation and a softer side for daily maintenance. These gloves are made from an innovative fiber technology that ensures they effectively capture dead skin cells without causing irritation. Exfolimate gloves are also ergonomically designed to fit comfortably on your hands, ensuring a snug and secure fit. The gloves are durable and can be used in both dry and wet conditions, allowing for versatile use depending on your preference. Benefits and usage: these gloves are designed to remove dead skin cells and improve skin texture with just a few uses. The coarse side of the gloves works to slough off rough patches and reveal fresher skin, while the softer side ensures you can maintain smooth skin over time. To use, simply wet your skin, apply a body wash or scrub, and massage the gloves in circular motions. The unique texture of the gloves will lift and remove impurities, leaving your skin feeling renewed and refreshed. Usability: Exfolimate exfoliating gloves are incredibly easy to use. They are designed to fit securely on your hands, ensuring that you can reach all areas of your body with ease. The gloves are lightweight and comfortable, allowing for a smooth exfoliation process. The dual texture design makes them versatile, as you can use the coarser side for more intensive exfoliation and the softer side for a gentler experience. After use, rinse the gloves thoroughly and hang them to dry, and they'll be ready for your next exfoliation session. Durability: Exfolimate exfoliating gloves are highly durable and built to withstand repeated use. Their advanced fiber technology ensures that they maintain their effectiveness and texture over time, even with regular use. The gloves are machine washable, which makes them easy to care for and ensures that they stay fresh and clean after every use. With proper care, these gloves will provide long-lasting exfoliation and continue to deliver smooth, healthy skin for months. Exfoliating gloves are a great way to maintain smooth, glowing skin, and with these 5 products, Bali Secret, Exfolimate, Majestic Pure, Mio Skincare, and Herbivore Botanicals, you'll have plenty of options to choose from based on your skincare needs. Whether you're looking for gentle exfoliation, hydrating benefits, or eco-friendly choices, there's a glove for everyone. Be sure to choose the one that suits your skin type and preferences, and enjoy the benefits of a healthy, radiant complexion,